Going to go through a field expedient method to pack parachutes. This works with 90% of the parachutes you'll use. But all it is um, flaking out, laying down, rolling up. Main thing you want to do is make sure you have weight tied off to the end. So make sure you have weight tied off to the end. And then you could use one hand, you can throw it over the shoulder if you want to use two hands. But basically all you're going to do is grab all the lines, bring it somewhat tight, and just start pulling gores out and moving them to one side. Like that gore is stuck inside. You're just going to pull it out, and you'll just keep working it around like that. And what this does is it actually opens up the air channel, because all parachutes fill from the top to the bottom. So this air channel provides a means for the air to get all the way to the top immediately. And any roll unders, just try to fix them. And you're not worried about the bottom section yet. You'll get to that once you lay it down. As you can see, all flaked. Now all you're going to do is find a natural part. So right there, it's parted. I'm just going to lay my hand underneath, walk it down to the ground, just like that. And just to get the rest of it nice and flaked out, you'll grab the lines, bunch the top, and just pull tight. And that'll just straighten out everything. Now this is 28 gores in this parachute. You could do 14 and 14. You could just guesstimate. You could do pretty much whatever. But you want roughly half the gores on one side, half the gores on the other. Try to keep the lines as small or as close together as possible. You have the air channel in the middle. And then what I like to do is bring the lines up through the center, just a little ways away from the very top of the parachute. Fold the parachute over like that. And again, this is just an expedient method. Doesn't have to be extremely pretty. You do that fold, then I fold in half, just like that, and just kind of bulk it together to keep it all the same width. You could kind of store a line in another fold or do whatever. From this point, you could roll, you could fold again. You could even fold this way. It doesn't really matter, whatever makes it fit. I'm gonna fold it one more time and then get my width. Just like that. And just as a ground deployment test, you know, it pulls out, the line is still somewhat taut until the parachute unfurls fully and the lines are able to come free. So that's just a field expedient method of packing a parachute.